I'm leaving the dentist. I need a fill-in. And so I gotta go back. Teeth cleaned. However, I do have I thought my tooth cracked, but apparently it was a fill-in. The fill-in fell out. So he said he could refill it. So I'm going to have that done in May. And the other one he doesn't want to touch because he said he's just going to monitor it because he doesn't want the tooth to thin out and then eventually have to be extracted. So that's my kind of dentist journey today. But I'm glad I took care of it. I'm glad my teeth are clean. He suggested I use a, what do you call it? An electric toothbrush. And he recommended one off of Amazon that cost $20. It looked like it's portable as well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's $20, so I guess I'll order that. It's also, what did I say? Is it like you could travel with it? So, and it has about 8 brushes, 5 molds, 8 brushes, and it's for kids and adults. So I'll link it if you're interested. So it's beautiful out. Let's check the weather. So I'm gonna go home, get dressed. We'll first go to the park, meet my husband, bring him a coffee. My daughter wants ice cream. I owe her chips. So I can't get the ice cream right now because it'll melt. And I don't know why my phone isn't working. Let's turn the Wi-Fi off. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab her chips, get his coffee, I guess get her ice cream maybe later, and then yeah, enjoy the weather. It feels so good. So I'll chat with you guys later. Alright, bye. Put on my shades. So I'm in here buying more than I came in here for. It's always the case. Alright y'all, it's still Friday and we are in the city. We dropped Cynthia and her friends off to Black Tap, and so we're just kind of cruising around Midtown, Times Square. We just rolled through, and I guess we're just gonna waste time until they're done. The life of a mom with a teenager. She stayed busy. So that's really it. It's Friday. I'm glad I was able to come to New York. I really wanted to come earlier in the day to like go in some stores and do more things, but she wanted to come late, so it is what it is. So yeah, I'll show you some footage, I guess, of being here in the city. I don't know what we're gonna do for about 2 hours. We'll see. But yeah, all right. I'll talk to you guys later. It's like tourists. Happy Sunday. So it's Sunday. Today is my son's birthday, 20th birthday. We may go take him out to eat later. He wasn't sure what he was doing on his own. Just came out of Walgreens. I got him a ice cream cake. He wanted an ice cream cake. Drop that off. And it's Sunday. And it's back to work Monday. Spring break is over. And I had a nightmare. I don't know if it was last night or this morning, but I dreamt that my office wasn't there. The stuff was removed from my office and they were drawing blood out of that room. like a mini nurse clinic or something. I don't know, it was so weird. But yeah, so it's Sunday. I'm not sure. I haven't done anything on my list. I'm supposed to wash at least 2 loads of clothes. The week just flew by. We had all this time and the time is all gone and I ain't do nothing. But we did have beautiful weather, so that was great. So we have about, I guess, 7-8 weeks of school, which is cool. So this is the countdown. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about summer. I was telling my cousin, but I'm not excited about the heat, like it being extremely hot. But I'm not gonna complain. But yeah, so hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday, a more productive Sunday than I. And I will chat with you later. Okay? Bye. Hey guys, happy, what day is it? Tuesday. It's Tuesday after spring break. I'm about to make some spaghetti really quick. My hair's a mess. Please don't mind this mess. And yeah, yesterday went pretty fast, went by pretty fast, but the night before I could not sleep. I think I had an allergic reaction to some fish tacos that I had. So I woke up, I had to take Benadryl. It was just a whole ordeal. So then by the time I had to get up, I was tired. But I only took one Benadryl because I knew it was gonna make me tired and sleepy. But yeah, anyway, at work it was busy, so I was able to get through that day. And then today was pretty quick. Got 3 more days and 3.5 weeks of school before our next little long vacay, which is like Memorial Day. So I'm looking forward to that. It'll go by fast. And then after that, I think we have like 3 or 4 weeks of school. I might have 5, depending on what's our end date, but that should go by quick. So really excited. I'm gonna make some spaghetti really quick and go for a walk, and then try to edit a video that should have been up Sunday, but my husband needs to use my laptop, so I gotta share my laptop. And yeah, didn't do it yesterday. So, and I started watching this show on Netflix. It's called Chef's, hold on, what is it called? Let's see, called Chef's Table Legends. So they're like highlighting 3 chefs. So I want to finish watching that and find some other things to cook as well. So I'll chat with you guys later. Hey, Naive.
I'm hungry.